Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I will discuss about histogram in Matplotlib. Okay, so a histogram is an accurate representation of the distribution of numerical data, and it is an estimate of the probability distribution of a continuous variable, and it is a kind of bar graph. So let's go for the code and we'll try to understand better what is it. So we need to import libraries, Matplotlib and NumPy libraries, and after that, as we will draw the plot, we need to figure out it. Fig axis 20.subplot, let's say 1 1, and a equal, here I will take a NumPy array np dot array (22, 67, 58, 35). Okay, and then I'll draw axis dot list bins, and here I take a array okay, and now axis. Okay, now I will draw the plot. So plt dot show and execute this command. Okay, subplot has not worked. Okay, subplot. Okay, let's see. The bins must increase monotonically when an array. Okay. Now execute this. Okay. That's the how as we took a less volume of data, that's why it shows like this. But if you took a large volume of data, you can get a nice plot, nice histogram plot, right? So you will get the whole my Matplotlib tutorial source code in description box. So thank you everyone, see you next tutorial.